Hello everyone, welcome to one more video from Food for Toddlers. Friends, today's recipe is something I just love to have as fruits are always one of my favorites. You can serve it as a pudding or as a tart. For preparing the base, I've taken here cookies. These are choco chips and wheat based cookies. You can go for any other biscuit. Then we need 1/4 cups of jackfruit seed flour, chopped banana pieces, chopped mango pieces, and I'm going here with passion fruit. You can replace it with any other citrus fruit. 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. So let's start with making powder out of the cookies by blending them in a jar. I prefer going with this kind of texture. It's a fine powdered texture. Now for preparing base, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to a hot pan. And as the butter melts completely, we'll be adding jackfruit seed flour for roasting. Now on a low flame, we'll be roasting jackfruit seed flour in butter for around 2 to 3 minutes. And once the roasting is finished, the color of the flour changes to brown. And now to this we'll be adding crushed biscuit or cookie powder. Before adding cookie powder, just switch off the flame. And now toss them nicely so that both the flours are mixed together. And we are tossing them together while the flame is switched off. And the mixture should be able to bind itself for getting a proper base, or else you have to add some more butter to it. Friends, just add little more melted butter to it if required. So the base is ready. You can make a pudding or a tart out of it. Now friends, I'm transferring all the prepared mixture to a bowl. Now just spreading the mix to get an even layer, and for better unmolding you can put in butter paper or make tarts in paper cups. With the help of a glass, I'm pressing this to get an even and uniform base layer. And now to set this, we'll be keeping it under refrigeration, and meanwhile let's prepare the topping. For preparing topping, first I'm extracting some pulp from passion fruit. To prepare this fruit topping, I'm going with all the seasonal fruits. You can replace passion fruit with any other citrus fruit. Friends, here I've taken 3 to 4 passion fruit pulp. And now I'm adding some sugar to it as it's very tangy in taste, and this is an excellent source of vitamin C. Now just keep it aside, and in a blender I'm adding chopped mangoes. To this I'm adding some chopped bananas. And now to balance out the sweetness, I'm adding passion fruit pulp to it. Make sure you do not add too much of this pulp, or else after blending the topping will become too runny. Now in a blender, I'm just giving a pulse to it. As you can see, still a bite is there in the bananas. Now pouring it over the prepared base, just spreading it uniformly. Friends, if you are going for a tart, this combination is the best. And now friends, I'll be keeping it under deep freezer. So friends, here the frozen fruit punch ready with the tart base. Friends, deep freezing is just an optional step. You can even serve it like a pudding after refrigeration. But friends, in summers, having this frozen dessert is definitely a delight. So do give a try to this simple and easy recipe. And friends, you can even serve this dessert after keeping at room temperature. So enjoy having this dessert with a crunchy base and with a punch of fruit toppings. So friends, hope you like this idea of serving the fruit toppings with a healthy tart base. If so, don't forget giving a thumbs up to the video, and hope to see you all in my next video. Until then, eat healthy, stay healthy, God bless, and subscribe for more videos to channel Food for Toddlers.